Dr. Cole, I'm gone. I want to see your foot here. He gone too. And he gone too. Me too. I'm back away. He gone too. You better quiet. Oh, boss man, take a truck. Clear, clear, clear. President Obama. Hello, Machiavelli. President Obama, wave and come here. I'm just trying to get in where I fit in in case these guys pick and decide they want to start something today. Hello, Machiavelli. President Obama needs about you in your business. Come here. Hey, 13, I'm in the back of the line, but I'm pushing and shoving. I'm going to get to the front, 13. Bye-bye. Good morning, President Obama. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, Bird. Bird, I'm gonna bump this guy, pick it down, and say good morning on that duck plucking in. Hello, Bird, around WDC. President Obama needs by you, wave and come here. Come, nigga, I heard you, man, I'm about to fix my breakfast. I'm about to fix my breakfast. I heard you, man, the Lord knows, man, we gotta do it, we gotta do it. Hey, President Obama, take care of the jail, baby, you know that. And that's the 410 Roger Jailbird. Well, I slow key, but I show key. Jailbird, keep on with the keeping on, big brother. Every time I call, you answer on that end. Jailbird, I'm back in the clear. Thank you, President Obama. I'll talk to you later. President Obama, Jailbird is out. Picker. Now what you said about President Obama? I'll roll any 5 out here if you get in my radio. Now if you think you want to get in here and talk to me, put some fire in the wire, cause right now, Bird got my radio and you can't tell him nothing, Cotton Picker. Key on Bird if you're that Cotton Picker bad, President Obama, come here.
Just a little bit. Iceberg, get the Buckeyes. Store, pipe on the sun pile. It's back quiet. Bad Dr. So bad, I'm calling you.
Talk to me, man. Bob, put some fire in the wine. Talk to me. I like to have Q-souls. I don't like to shoot out and our damn show will fight. Put some fire in the wine, get him my receipt so we can have a two-way communication. President Obama, I'm standing by.
That question I asked you to ask that got me there. Ask Jailbird what the hell be going down on Pennsylvania Avenue with them hoes.
Okay, if you want me to ask Jailbird what's going on with them hoes, I gotta tell him who asked me that, Cotton Picker. We call names on 27.025, so tell me who's asking me to ask Jailbird that, Cotton Picker. I don't talk to no damn strangers. I talk to my receive, President Obama. Come here.
Well, you talk to your radio, don't you? President Obama. I'm talking to you, and you talking to me. All I ask you to do is ask Jailbird what be going down on Pennsylvania Avenue with them hoes.
Put it where you can get it, Cotton Picker, because undoubtedly you don't understand what I'm saying. I'm going to ask you one more damn time. Give me your 28, Cotton Picker. I don't talk for no ghost. If I'm going to roll a 5, I'm going to tell Jailbird who's trying to put a 5 on him, Cotton Picker. So go on and tell me who you are, and I'll roll your 5. I'm in your business. Come here.
I ain't no hair. Wait a minute, President Obama. I ain't no ghost. I ain't no hand. I ain't no ghost. Hey, President Obama, you ain't ghost talking. You talking to me, though, folks here. 22 in this great big mobile, bro.
Well, if you just want me to talk to you, I ain't rolling no damn 5 for you. I'll talk to you, but I ain't rolling no 5 for you, because I ain't going to tell a man what somebody said when I don't know the hell they did. I don't know your boys, and practically I don't care about your boys. I care about your handler, Cotton Picker. So go on and tell me who you are, or let's me and you talk. How's the weather where you are? Let's talk about the weather, Cotton Picker. I ain't talking about no damn 5. Come on.
The weather's fine up here in Maryland. Man, the weather's fine. Everything is going to the right. I put some money in the bank.
and I don't even know whoever that was, but you keyed on whoever that ghost was. You keyed on that ghost 22 because you got that stick down, President Obama. Come here.
Oh, damn, President Obama. Hey, President Obama. You
By 22 with that big old truck. That's how you do it, man. I ain't talking to a ghost. Well, damn it, I like to know who I'm talking to. I don't like to talk to strangers. There's some people on the band I give two shits about, and I don't talk to them. I talk to who I want to, and I do what I want to do. President Obama, I'm in the clear.
Be coming out of my mouth, Obama. Obama, evidently, you cannot get the words that be flowing out of my mouth, Obama.
I give you the words coming out your mouth, got bigger. I'm over here spitting sunflower seed because I'm laughing at you. I'm over here spitting sunflower seed because I'm laughing at you, got bigger. I can hear the words coming out your mouth. I'm in your business. Come here.
Now, you know it's impolite to laugh in the mic. Hey, Obama. Now, you know damn well it's impolite. It's impolite to laugh in the mic like you doing, Obama. Don't do that. Good morning to you. I'm going to disclose myself in a minute. But I want to let you know it's impolite to laugh in the mic, President Obama. I'm back quiet.
The world going crazy. People doing shit that don't even matter no more, so I'm joining in. I'm spitting sunflower seeds and I'm laughing at you, cat bigger. President Obama, these by you. I'm in your business. Come here.
I'm done. President Obama. They call me Triple Nine. I'm out here in the battlefield of North Carolina. And I don't like what North Carolina did with the presidency. I don't like it. Them kind of niggas voted for Trump, and I ain't like that at all. President Obama, I'm back quiet.
Hey, Triple Nine, let me keep it 100 with you. I don't care how a man vote, a woman vote, how a child vote, I don't care about none of that. All it did was told you what America's made of. They call them third world countries a shithole. America is a shithole. Triple Nine, I'm back quiet.
Lord, me my mercy. Hey, you just told the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but, hey, President Obama. You told the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Triple Nine said you told it right, President Obama. I'm back quiet.
And one thing I know and two things for sure, my lifestyle ain't gonna change, Triple Nine. You know why? People dying to do business with me, cotton picker. I body bag them and I toe tag them, body bag them and put them 6 feet in the ground. White, black, brown, you name it, I do them all. Triple Nine, I'm back quiet.
Now you got me laughing in the mic. Oh, mama, you got me cracking up in the mic. You know that's impolite, but you say your lifestyle ain't gonna change one bit, cause people dying to get to you. Oh, Baba, I'm back quiet.
And hey, Triple Nine, check this out, Triple Nine. It may sound bad and it might sound funny, but if them cotton pickers don't die, how am I gonna live? Hey, Triple Nine, if them muddy mouth cotton pickers don't die, how I'm gonna live? Triple Nine, I'm back quiet.
Oh, man, I'm just cruising out there, man. I'm just paying this high rate. Have a great day. I know you will. President Obama. and the Kakalakis are pulling out. I see you. Bye-bye.
And there's a Roger 999. You have a good day as well, big brother. And hey, welcome to what is today? I don't even know. Hey, 999. That's how much I care. I don't even know what today is, man. I just know it's a sad day for America. Bye, 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 bye. Tell Dr. Payne to go find something else to do with that low-budget station. Tell Dr. Payne, President Obama said go find something to do with that low-budget station. 22, President Obama, these bayous in Dr. Payne business. Come here. You must be a Hall of Famer, man. 22, you either a Hall of Famer or a superstar. The whole damn Northeast corner keyed down when I rolled that buffalo about Dr. Payne. 22 in that big mobile. I hope you got my nickel, President Obama. Come here. I got it, President Obama. I got your nickel. Hey, President Obama. Hey, President Obama, listen to this water game. Well, I appreciate you, big brother, and I appreciate you keying on them raggedy-ass base station. That's what old Top Gun saying, the big horn. I appreciate you and that big mobile keying on them raggedy-ass base stations. 22, President Obama, these bayous, I'm in the clear. Boy, damn, it's gonna get rough for one, President Obama. Hey, President Obama, I'm getting ready to put the big box in the mobile. By 22, I'll slow key you so I can see what was behind you. You got that big mobile on them boys, man. I'm going to 7. Hey, 22, good job, man, with that big mobile. 20, hey, President Obama, these bayous, the big boys night, man. I'm in the clear. Oh, man, that's what I am. I'm at a base station nightmare. Hey, President Obama, 22. Man. Hey, what's going on, homeboy? Hey, what's up, Jimmy Obama, come here.
Good morning, Fred. Fred, good morning, man. I heard you, man. You said it's so good. I thought I knew you were being radio. What's Mother Nature around? Fred, good morning. What's going on this morning, Fred?
Well, I appreciate it, Jimmy. Yeah, I decided to come out here and raise some sand this morning, man. The election didn't go how I wanted it to go. But like I told them boys, it ain't gonna change my lifestyle one way or the other, Jimmy. It ain't gonna change my way of living. It ain't gonna stop me from eating. It ain't gonna stop me from living if the good Lord say the same. Jimmy, your homeboy with your flagship station in your business, come here.
Good morning to you, President Obama. Morning time to you, President Obama. Boy, you said a mouthful right there, no doubt about it. 6-string K-pop Marty rocking these great shakes this morning, end up getting down.
Jimmy, listen to me, man. I love you like a brother from another mother, but that guy bigger just called me through the back door from the west side, man. That guy bigger 635 down from the west side, man. Let me look outside and make sure I ain't looking out west. Hey, Jimmy, I hear you at the headquarters. 410.